Given question is asked in GATE CSE 2015. A young tableau is a 2D array of integers increasing from left to right and from top to bottom. Okay, so there is a 2D array given, whatever it is, no? Young tableau is, and here there is a condition in this array that from if you go from left to right, you will get order elements in increasing order, and top to bottom then also in increasing order, like 1, after that 2, so 2 is greater than 1, after that 5, 5 is greater than 2, 14 is greater than 5. Likewise, if you go from top to bottom, 3 is greater than 1, 10 is greater than 3, 31 is greater than 10. Okay, like this. And any unfilled entries are marked with infinite. So whatever the entries which are not filled with any element, okay, like numbers, that is filled with infinite, and hence there cannot be any entry to the right or below a infinite. So in this infinite, okay, so you cannot have any element in right side of infinite and below this infinite. Okay, you can see here, in you can have a infinite in right of infinite but not a number. Okay, the following young tableau consists of unique entries. Okay, and every entry is unique. When an element is removed from a young tableau, other elements should be moved into its place so that the resulting table is still a young tableau. So what you have to do whenever you are removing an element, you have to remove that element in such a way so that resulting 2D array should be a young tableau. Young tableau means from left to right should be increasing order, and top to bottom also should be increasing order. Okay. Now, unfilled entries may be filled with a infinite, and unfilled entry will be can be filled with infinite. The minimum number of entries other than 1 to be shifted to remove one from the given young tableau is. So we have to remove this element 1, and they are asking how many move we should have performed. Okay, so I have made this table young tableau here. Now let us try to move remove this one, and we will check how many moves are required. Okay, so suppose we have removed this one from here. Okay, so we have to fill it with elements. Okay, and we can move either uh, right to left or bottom to top. Okay, we cannot move an element from in vertical order. Okay, so diagonally. Okay, so here we have two choices to fill this blank space. Either we can fill it with 3, either we can fill it with 2. If we are moving 3 here, okay, so this 2 will be lesser than this 3, which is not a young tableau. Okay, so we cannot move 3 here, but we can move 2 here. Okay, so if we are moving 2 here, so 3 greater than 2, so we will not lose our property. Okay, so now this space will become empty. And now here also we have two choices. Either we can fill it with 4 or we can fill it with 5. If we are moving 5 here, then this 4 will be lesser than 5, so our property will be gone, so we cannot move 5 here, so we will move 4 here. Okay, when we have moved 4 here, this space become empty. Now if we are moving 6 here, okay, so this will be 12. Okay, there is no problem. If we are moving 12 here, then what will happen, this 6 will be lesser than this 12, so we cannot move 12 here, so we will move 6 here. Okay, so counting this, one move we have done here and one move we have done here now, and one move we have done here also. Now this space become empty. Now we have two choices. Either we can move 18 here or we can move 23 here. If we are moving 23, then 18 will be lesser. We will lose our property of young tableau. So we will move 18 here. Okay. So 18 will be moved here. Okay. Now this space become empty. Now also we have two choices. Either we can move infinite here or we can move 25 here. If we are moving 25 here, so infinite is greater than this 25, we will not lose our property. And if we are moving infinite here, then 25 will be lesser than infinite. So we cannot move infinite here. So we will move 25 here. Okay. So we have moved 25 here. Now this space become empty, and this entry we can fill with infinite. Okay. And if we are filling with infinite, there is no space in right of this place. Okay. And below we have already infinite, so we are not losing our this young tableau property. Okay. So let us count how many move we have done. One here, two here, three here, four here, and five here. So to remove this one, this from this young tableau, we have to move five elements, or we have to perform five moves. Okay. So what are the minimum moves required? That are five. Okay. So our answer will be five. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.